video tutorial on Raspberry Pi and how to set up the board. Raspberry Pi is a credit card sized computer board designed for the new generation of PC users to discover and encourage their programming skills. Raspberry Pi was conceived by the Raspberry Pi Foundation, a charity-based organization in Cambridge, UK. Raspberry Pi, when connected to a monitor or a TV along with your keyboard, it performs all the functions that a traditional PC can do. Here is the Raspberry Pi board. The board consists of 700 MHz ARM11 Broadcom BCM2835 processor, which is capable of playing Blu-ray quality playback. The board consists of analog video, audio output, HDMI video and audio, one Ethernet port, two USB ports, GPIO pins and 256 MB of RAM. The board comes in two models, Model A and Model B. The one which I am having is Model B. Model B has one Ethernet port and two USB ports, while the Model A doesn't have an Ethernet port and has one USB port. Booting up of the board is from a memory card, SD card, which is supported till 32 GB. Powering on the board is by connecting the 5V micro USB adapter, and the power consumption is 3.5 watts. The basic requirements to set up a Raspberry Pi board are a Raspberry Pi board, USB keyboard, USB mouse, 5V micro USB adapter, HDMI monitor, 4 GB memory card and a card reader. Let me show the procedure to set up the board. Firstly, the memory card is to be inserted into the memory card slot. Next, the 5V power adapter is to be powered into the power port, and the USB mouse, USB keyboard, and lastly HDMI video is connected to the HDMI port of the Raspberry Pi board. In this tutorial, we are using Debian as the operating system. Let us now learn how to burn the operating system image file into the memory card. The operating system image file can be downloaded from the Raspberry Pi's official webpage. Since we are using Windows platform to burn the operating system image file, we need a tool called Win32 Disk Imager, and this can be downloaded from the Raspberry Pi's official webpage. Let us now see how to download the Raspberry Pi operating system image file and the Win32 Disk Imager. Both these things can be downloaded from the Raspberry Pi's official webpage. So now we are getting on to the Raspberry Pi webpage, and once you go to this site, you can see a download link. In opening this link, you can see the Win32 Disk Imager. Once you click that, a separate tab opens where it contains the link for download of the Win32 Disk Imager tool. On clicking the download, you get three different links for download of this tool. Either of these will work. So let us now go with the first link. So the download begins, stating the small line your download is starting. Now the first task is over. The second one is to download the operating system Raspbian. Here you have the direct download link for the Raspbian. So on clicking this, a zip file will be downloaded. Automatically the download starts in few seconds. Now the tool is getting downloaded fast, while the operating system takes few minutes for the download. So Win32 Disk Imager is downloaded. It will be in the downloads and you have to unzip it. After unzipping it to your particular destination folder, you will find an application Win32 Disk Imager. Once the operating system image file is downloaded, I have downloaded it in the Raspberry Pi's folder. So this is the image file. So what we have to do here is, on clicking this icon, it will ask for the location where you have saved the operating system image file. So I have to go to the particular folder where I have saved, and the write process begins now. Say yes and the process begins. This takes for a few minutes, so we need to wait. The download is about to get over,
So once the download gets over, you will get a dialog box saying the write is successful, and the process ends there.